Good day to my future employer. My name is Karen Botar and I am 30 years old, single with live-in partner. I have four children, one girl and three boys. Their age are 11, 9, 7, and 6 years old. I am a secondary graduate and I have five brothers and three sisters. I'm in a fifth born. I live in Tubigon, Bohol, Philippines. I have 3 years of experience as a household helper here in the Philippines. My responsibilities included cooking, cleaning, ironing, and doing laundry, and caring for newborn babies. In my second job, I gained 2 years of experience where I performed a household chores and take care of two children. I am a hardworking, dedicated, passionate about my work, and always willing to learn new tasks. If you choose to hire me, I will do my best to fulfill my duties and responsibilities to the highest standard. I promise to complete my contract and remain with your family for as long as you need my services. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to working with you.